You can do this.
You can do this.
You can do this.
You can do this.
I didn't know a lot of people who went to college. It was kind of hard deciding where to even start, where do I apply, and how do I even apply?
I said I don't have no family support. Nobody is telling me, yay, do it, go.
Well, I was kind of confused as to where I wanted to go. I completely couldn't decide if it was college, work, or absolutely nothing.
When I first started, I really didn't take it as serious, and because of this guy and 1 million degrees, they kind of got me on the right track.
I knew that I needed somebody to come and help me figure out the other things that the classes don't teach me.
So I took the jump and I joined OMD. And in the second year of my dental hygiene class, it made a big difference.
Before, I thought that OMD was just there to help me financially, but it was more than that.
It helps you not only academically, but it helps you career-wise and helping you with college and life after college.
OMD has changed my expectations for myself by showing me that I could do a lot more than I thought I could.
My coach is more like a friend to me. She always keeps on track of me, making sure I'm doing in school. She's like the best. Without her, I don't think I'd be where I am today.
That constant support you don't necessarily get in other places. So I was very, very grateful to have that.
They provided me with so many resources and I still use them to this day.
My scholarship has made me know that I can do more, be more than what I was.
Now I feel more confident going into the world. Now you can't tell me I can't do anything. I say I can.
I will be transferring to the University of Illinois in Urbana-Champaign.
I'm currently at Roosevelt University on my third year of college.
I'm gonna transfer and go to Roosevelt University for hospitality management.
I am part of the University of Illinois at Chicago. After I graduate, I want to pursue my master's in healthcare policy.
I'm actually graduating in May, and I'm going to be valedictorian.
I think the most beautiful thing about OMD is their support.
With the scholars you guys are going to be around, the coach you're going to be attached to, it's just going to be an all-around great program.
It was a community that I got to join.
It was like a whole family that was always behind me.
They're like my sisters I could go to and talk to.
OMD will help guide students who are lost or don't know what to do into the right path of their choosing.
I would definitely encourage someone to join OMD without a heartbeat. I mean, what's that saying? Sorry, in a heartbeat. There.
I feel like every student has the potential to be whatever they want to be. They just don't see it. And what 1 million degrees does is they help them see it by surrounding them with other students who also feel the same way and, bringing out the best in them and showing them that they could do whatever they want to do.
If you find yourself at community college and you have the time, drive, and capacity to do so, join OMD. We're gonna get you where you wanna be.
You can do this.
You guys can do this.
You 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 can do this. This is your time, your year, and 1 million degree is there to help.